Are you posting video but getting only 5, 10, 20 views? You spend hours in editing but nobody clicks. What if I told you AI can help you create clickable thumbnail, powerful titles, and SEO description in minutes? In this video, I will show you step by step how small YouTubers can use ChatGPT and AI tools to increase views even with 0 subscribers, right? Here what you are going to see, I'm going to show you how you can just create a CTRT, clickable through rate, thumbnail using ChatGPT, how to create SEO-optimized title using ChatGPT, and how to create SEO description using ChatGPT. So if you are new here, please don't miss subscribe, like this video, and share it to your colleagues so that they can also learn with us on GOOIST Academy. So the real problems small YouTubers faces, I realized that small YouTubers create bad thumbnails and then no clicks, right? No one click on that video. Weak title, no curiosity. Poor description, no searching ranking, right? And random upload time. You know that you should know when to upload your video based on your location and based on your audiences. And also no keywords research. Many of small creators don't use keywords for their videos that can help them to make their videos viral, right? So YouTube don't promote good video, but it promote video with click rate, with high click rate, right? Is what YouTube make a promotion. Without spend much more time, let us start by showing you how you can create a SEO attractive and optimized higher click-through rate thumbnail using ChatGPT. So the first step is to come and search for ChatGPT, right? www.chatgpt.com. If you are using smartphone also, you do the same. What you need to do is just to download ChatGPT app by using Play Store, and then you download this ChatGPT app. Then after, if you don't have an account, you should create an account. You should follow steps. It's just to open your ChatGPT app and then continue with Google account. You select email and then use your password to log in that email. Then you already created ChatGPT account. So after getting a ChatGPT account, you can now start to create your video by just giving it instruction. You give ChatGPT prompt or instruction that should flow to create your thumbnail. For example, you write create emotional, curiosity based thumbnail for video teaches about how small creators getting or just struggling to get many viewers, or just getting like 5, 10, 20 views just by failing to use AI assistant to create, through failing to use AI like ChatGPT to create SEO attractive and optimized title, descriptions, hashtags, and also thumbnails. Thumbnail like this one. So this is our prompt. We are asking ChatGPT to create a curiosity-based thumbnail for our video teaches about how small creators getting 5, 10, 20 views through failing to use AI like ChatGPT to create SEO attractive, optimized title, description, hashtag, and the thumbnail. So what you need now, after writing your prompt, you click on this send here and then wait a little bit. It gives us explanation, main emotion, frustration, shock, hope. So you see, then what we need to do now is to ask it to create it. It tries to explain for us how our thumbnail will look like. So let us tell it to create it. Create it, please. Let us see. You see, it's now creating our thumbnail, but we forgot something here to specify size of thumbnail. It should be 1018 to 720 as YouTube thumbnails. So let us wait a little bit and we'll see. See what ChatGPT gives us about our prompt, right? But you can also update it by just uploading your photo here. You just select your photo and ask it to use it. You can just select in your photos. Let me use this one, like this one. Update it using this uploaded video and use advanced features like 3D features to enhance attractivity and curiosity triggering. This one. Then what we need to do is just also to click on send so that it can generate updated one by using our photo uploaded. Also, we need to wait a little bit here. So as you see, it tried to use our image to create the powerful thumbnail by using our prompt we already given, right? So as you see, it's difficult to use another photo editor to create this thumbnail, so better to use AI like ChatGPT and others. So after creating thumbnail, you can now create our title. Let us see how you can create a SEO-optimized title. So what you do also is just to give it instruction. Now create just also curiosity based, emotional, SEO optimized, and attractive title for this video. Just you click here and also send. Here ChatGPT tries to create your title here, very attractive title, and also gives you another alternatives. As you see here, it created why small creators stay at 10 views. The AI secret no one told you. Here you see another alternatives. You can use still getting 520 views. You are ignoring this AI trick. You see, you can now choose the best titles you can use, right? So here after that ones, it tries to give you many titles, and you select the best one based on your video, right? Then here after creating title, let us also ask it to create a description. Now also create SEO-optimized searchable description for this video using hashtags and keywords like this one. You see, also then click on send here. As you see, it tries to give us very optimized and searchable description here. You see, are you trying to upload the video and getting only 5 views, 10 views, 20 views? You are not alone. Most small creators are working hard but ignoring one powerful growth tool, AI. In this video, I reveal how small YouTubers can use AI tool like ChatGPT to create self-optimized title, high converting description, trading hashtags, curiosity-based thumbnails, searchable keyword links, and so on and so forth. You see, the difference between 10 views and 10k views is not lucky, it's just a strategy. As you see, it tries to create powerful description for us so that we can use it on our video, and our video gets searchable by using these hashtags as you see here, right? So guys, we have seen that there is advanced upload strategy you should follow once you are preparing to upload your video. Includes best upload time, know when to upload your video, add tags, right? Use playlist, add end screens, add cards, pin comments, and also reply to 10 comments fast so that your audience feel valuable, right? So you don't need just 1,000 subscribers to grow. You need better packaging. Use AI assistance, not replacement. You should also keep your participation but use AI as assistance. So this is the end of our lesson. Please, if you are new here, please like this video, subscribe, and comment AI grow if you want a second part, right? So small creators don't fail because of content, they fail because of presentation. So see you in next video.